Hello guys, welcome to the Tech Tips Zone channel. In this video, we will discuss how to install Windows 11 without signing in with a Microsoft account. Microsoft enforces this rule where you have to sign in to your PC using a Microsoft account while installing Windows 11. But there is an easy hack to bypass that. Earlier, there were also some terminal commands that you could run to bypass this, but now you can do this with a very simple hack. Let's dive into the video. First, install Windows 11 as usual. Just pick an edition, pick an installation or type, and then pick the drive on which you want to install Windows. Start the installation and wait for your PC to reboot. After your system reboots, and you boot to the out-of-box experience page, pick the region where you reside and click on the yes button. After that, you need to pick the keyboard layout. Just select it and click on the yes button. It will ask you for another layout. Just click on the skip button. Now pick your PC option that you want to use. I am choosing the personal use option and then click on the next button. Click on the sign in button. Now put a dummy email account. I am putting here a@e.com. You can simply replace it with any other bogus email account. Now type your random password and then click on the sign in button. It will show you wrong, oops, something went wrong screen. Just click on the next button and it will now redirect you to set up your PC locally. Just enter your name and then click on the next. Now enter a password which you use with your PC. After that, re-enter your password and then click on the next button. Now you need to pick the 3 security questions and that you can use to reset your account when you get logged out of your PC. Just click on next and make sure to remember these security questions and their answers. After that, now you can uncheck all these privacy settings while installing, which serve no purpose for you, especially the advertising ID, and click on the accept button. Now Windows will check for updates and it start to apply all these settings on your PC. It can take a good 5 to 10 minutes to do so, and after that you will boot to your Windows 11 desktop. You can see that we are now logged into the PC without signing into the Microsoft account. Let me open the settings app and you will see that we are running a local account and didn't have to sign in with a Microsoft account. That's it for this video, guys. Do like and share this video with other fellow Windows users. Also subscribe to the Tech Tips Zone channel for more such information on Windows, troubleshooting, tips and tricks, and Windows Insider.